Deep in the ocean, tectonic activity causes lava to burst from the seabed. This is known as a lava plume, and as the lava makes contact with the cool seawater, it cools and solidifies into volcanic rock. When this breaks the surface, a new island is created. The newly formed island is utterly devoid of life. The arrival of plants and animals to a new island such as this is known as colonization. How do species arrive on such a desolate island in the first place? Well, some species arrive by wind, or they fly to the island. Other species may float on natural rafts of vegetation and arrive at the islands by luck, or they may swim to the islands. The process of transforming a bare island into a complex ecosystem is known as succession. The first to arrive on the scene of a newly formed island are the pioneer species. These are often plants. They're hardy and resilient, and unlike many other species, they require few nutrients and are adapted to survive with minimal water. Let's look at lichens as an example. Spores are blown over from the mainland. Lichens are able to survive in the harsh terrain and start to break down the rock, forming soil. The creation of soil means that more resources are available for other small, resilient plants to grow. Grasses and flowering plants are then able to grow well as the soil becomes more and more fertile. Succession reaches its destination with a climax community. This sort of community is characterized by bigger trees, such as Scalasia. Now that plant life is established on the once empty island, animals are able to start colonizing. Some insects and birds are blown over from the mainland, with help from the wind. Other species, such as small lizards, can reach the islands by floating on rafts of vegetation. With their ability to survive weeks without food and water, even giant tortoises are able to float across this expansive ocean. Sharks and marine mammals such as sea lions can swim to the islands. Not all plants and animals that arrive become successful colonizers. Living conditions must be just right. Colonizers need to have the right habitat, sufficient food supply, enough water, and the ability to reproduce. Physical capabilities and a degree of luck have determined the wildlife we now see in Galapagos. What will you discover?